Alright, here we go. Welcome to How to Make a Sonic OC. Okay, so step 1, go on Google and type in Sonic the Hedgehog, and then go to Images. Now, what you're gonna be doing is, instead of actually drawing a character, because that'd be too good, you gotta just paste in your own Sonic. Now, just shrink the window to fit, and then you just simply get rid of the white around him. Alright, so for the next step, simply recolor your character into a different color to make him more original. Now that you've colored the body of your brand new character, you gotta change up the color of some things. For example, change the color of the shoes to, let's say, gray. Yeah. Doesn't that just look so much better? Then, don't forget to add some color to the socks. Yeah, because these are socks. Now that you've added all the colors you could possibly need, now you gotta add some more spikes to the head, because there are never enough. Now, we're going to be using a very complicated technique called copying and pasting. So, if you don't understand, don't worry. It's a very, very challenging technique that it takes many years for most people to learn. Now, there's only a few more steps to go before you have completed your very own OC. Next, choose a name for it. In this case, we have... So in this case, we have Brosel the Orangutan. And then finally, as your last step, you have to come up with a good origin story. Now be warned, this is a very challenging step, so don't be upset if you can't get it and it takes you a long time. Now watch as I do it in seconds. And done. Take a gander at this wonderful origin story. So yeah, that's how you make your very own Sonic the Hedgehog OC. Enjoy!